So this video should be the last one on the basics of how we do these Punnett squares. And then you'll be able to start practicing some on your own. And again, you can grab a sheet of paper and work this one out with me. So we're going to try another cross here, and it's going to help us to understand how probability works. Probability is the chance that something will happen. Genetics is all about this. You might think if someone in your family is about to have a baby, what are the chances that it's going to look a certain way? What are the chances it will be a boy or a girl? What are the chances that it might have light hair or dark hair? All those things. So let's go back to the pea plants and let's take a homozygous dominant parent with a heterozygous parent. Okay, so one parent is going to be capital Y, capital Y. And if you remember, that means that they're going to have yellow seeds. And they're going to be crossed with another yellow seed, but this one happens to be carrying the green. This is heterozygous. It has one dominant and one recessive. So we set up a Punnett square, and we put the parents on the Punnett square. It doesn't matter which parent you put on the top or on the side. Just make sure you're using the right letters. So we have the homozygous dominant parent here and the heterozygous parent here. Okay, hopefully you're starting to remember how you're going to fill in the boxes. Since there's a capital Y here and a capital Y here, that's going to go in this box. Lowercase y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, capital Y, lowercase y. So what is the probability, the chance that the offspring will come out capital Y, lowercase y? Well, I have 4 boxes here, and each of these boxes represents a 25% chance for the offspring to look a certain way. Think about that. If I had 100 offspring, there's a 25% chance they will come out like this, or 25 of them. 25 of them should end up looking something like this, the other 25 this, and the other 25 this. So I'm supposed to write my answer as a fraction and as a percent. What's the probability that they will come out capital Y, lowercase y? So in order to come out capital Y, lowercase y, there are 2 out of the 4 boxes, or 50%. Half of the offspring are going to come out with this combination. What's the probability the offspring will be yellow? Well, let's go back to the boxes. This has a dominant allele, so it's definitely going to be yellow. This has a dominant allele, so it's going to be yellow. Dominant allele, dominant allele. So all of these boxes, all of the offspring, no matter what happens when I cross these 2 parents, they're going to come out yellow.